Hi everybody, it's Megan. As always, I hope everybody is doing wonderful. Today I'm going to be doing a comparison review between the Louis Vuitton Neverfull versus the Louis Vuitton Speedy. I'll be letting you guys know the pros and cons of each bag and also letting you guys know which bag is my personal preference. If any of you are interested in purchasing either one of these bags, I do hope to add some insight as to which bag would be right for you. Before I get into that, if you guys did watch my last video, I did say that I had a giveaway going on for a beautiful ring made by Kate Sparkle. I will be showing you guys live who the winner is, like I did with my last giveaway, by going into the office. I do have all of your entries received. They are on the computer, and we can find out who the winner is. So let's go. All right, you guys. So in my last video, I did say that I had this Amore ring giveaway from Kate Sparkle. And this is the ring right here. This is on their website. And I went through each and every entry that was received, all of your entries. I put them in a notepad format, attached a number to each username, and there were a total of 145 entries. And now I am going to be using a random number generator to figure out who the winner is. So out of 145, we're going to put a maximum value in right here of 145. And now we click generate. 95. Go back to notepad and let's see who number 95 is. Corina Ramirez. Corina Ramirez won the Amore ring giveaway from Kate Sparkle. Yay! Congratulations. Big congratulations to Corina Ramirez. You are the winner. To everybody else, please don't be discouraged because I have wonderful news. I have an upcoming Louis Vuitton giveaway. It's going to be a haul. There's going to be 2 pieces that I'm going to be giving away. I was able to obtain a wonderful, beautiful, gorgeous, hard to get piece from Louis Vuitton. And I am getting another piece that should arrive very, very soon. So please do be on the lookout for that, you guys. I'm excited about it. I know you will be excited about it. Again, congratulations, Corina Ramirez and everybody else. Upcoming Louis Vuitton 2 pieces giveaway coming up very soon. Now it's time to get into the bags. I do have the Louis Vuitton Neverfull MM. As you guys can see, it's the monogram canvas, and I do have it with the Pavillon interior. I do believe that's how you pronounce it. Beautiful bag. An immediate con that I can think of with this bag is the fact that it can only be worn one way, and that is over the shoulder. It is gorgeous over the shoulder, but that doesn't allow any room for versatility as far as how this bag can be worn. That's pretty much the only con I could think of to this bag. As far as pros go, gorgeous. I'm sure you guys have seen this out and about. I know I have, and that's for a reason. This bag was released in 2007, so it's been around for about 12 years. This bag has a few years to go, but I do think it will be within the category of the Speedies and the Almas. Gorgeous bag, and I don't see it being discontinued. Another pro to this bag is the fact that it does feature a very big zipper on the inside, so you can fit a lot of things. This bag can hold up to 200 pounds. I really can't see myself putting 200 pounds worth of things inside of this. I guess that's why they call it the Neverfull, because you just can't fill it all the way. But if you wanted to, you could. Quality is amazing given the fact that it can hold up to 200 pounds. So that is the con of the bag and the pros. Now we'll get into the Speedy. I do have this in the demi Ben in the bandolier. I will start off with the cons. I do find one with the bandolier version, and I do find one with the classic. I'll start off with the classic. The classic bag, like the Neverfull, can only be worn one way, and that is tote style. So again, you're not going to have the versatility as to how you can wear the bag. It's strictly one way. When it comes to the bandolier con that I find is when you take this strap off, you have leather stripes that go along the sides, and also there's a big ring that hangs when you take the strap off. Any of you guys that want that classic look, you'll know that the classic bag does not have the stripe nor the ring hanging off. Although it's still very pretty, I prefer to wear it with the strap hanging. If I want to wear it tote style, I think it's very cute, and then the strap just kind of hangs. Those are the only cons that I can think of when it comes to this bag. When it comes to the pros of this bag, I'd have to say bandolier style, the fact that you can wear it tote style, over the shoulder, as well as crossbody. That's 3 different ways to wear this bag. Another thing that's so wonderful about this bag is the history. This bag was released in the 1930s. I'm sure you guys know this bag is still very much in fashion, very much in style. It's a very gorgeous bag. Now, the bandolier version, non-classic, was released in 2011. I love the way that this bag looks when I wear it. I do also love the way that the Neverfull looks when I wear it. I'm wondering if you guys can guess which one is my favorite and which one I would choose. It is the Speedy bandolier, and it goes with the pros that I said, the versatility of how you can wear it. I love the fact that it's so classic and historic. And yeah, it's just a very versatile bag that's very gorgeous. But please don't get me wrong. I do think the Neverfull is absolutely gorgeous, and it's definitely not leaving my collection. So very beautiful bag. This is a very beautiful bag as well. If you guys are interested in either one of these bags, I can recommend a wonderful bag organizer company. I have ordered from Amazon, eBay, even Samorga. A big problem I've noticed with a lot of these organizers is the fact that they can make my bag bulky, or the felt is just too thick for the bag. So I'm briefly going to show you organizers that go within these bags. I love this company so much that I literally have an organizer for almost every bag in my collection. I ordered a lot. They offer an array of colors to choose from for each bag, and they specialize in luxury. Not just Louis Vuitton, but Hermes, Gucci, Chanel, etc. So I'm going to put this in here. What I truly love most about these organizers is the fact that it maintains the bag's shape, which is a big, huge thing to me because I just love the origination of the bag. So as you guys can see, this bag doesn't look overstuffed. It looks great. So this is what the bag looks like with the organizer in it. It keeps the bag very clean, obviously, because it's protected. And what's great about this company as well is the fact that you can choose the interior design of the organizer. So I chose one with big pockets on the sides, nice to put small leather goods, biggest size cell phone will fit in there. It's just a wonderful organizer. And again, I just love the fact that it maintains the bag's original shape. And with the Speedy, I got red to match the red interior of this bag. And I also chose the same interior, which was the pockets on the exterior. These organizers do not have that thick feel, which I don't like. It's very soft and smooth and very lightweight. Couldn't recommend it anymore. If you guys are interested in getting an organizer for one of these bags or any other luxury bags, I highly recommend checking out their website. It's zoomoni.com. That's ZOOMONI.com. And if you would like to receive 20% off your purchase, just enter the code LVLuxDelight and you will get that 20% off. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. So now I'm going to switch topics as I typically do and speak of something that's not of luxury, not of Louis Vuitton, rather something that is insightful and meaningful. Today I wanted to talk about not comparing ourselves with other people and why that is so important to help maintain peace of mind. True beauty is in the eye of the beholder, and true beauty comes from within. I'm sure a lot of you guys have met people that have wonderful personalities, and their personalities bring out a beautiful light within them, and that shows their beauty. That's true beauty. We need to focus on us. We need to focus on the fact that Self-love is very important. It's not selfish, and there's no such thing as perfection. So when you find yourself in a situation where you're comparing yourself with someone else, I highly suggest to stop right there and think to yourself, okay, that person has something I don't have, but I have so many unique gifts and beautiful qualities within myself that God has given me that I should celebrate. If we could all just realize the simple truth that beauty does come from within, and social status, what you own, what you wear, truly don't matter, that is going to help us maintain a great peace of mind. And I've said many times within my channel, peace of mind equals happiness. So let's not compare ourselves with anybody else. Rather, let's celebrate who we are and understand the beauty that we have within us. So that is going to be it. If you guys have any comments or questions whatsoever with what I just spoke about, not comparing yourself with other people, please do leave them in the comment section below, as well as any comments or questions in regard to the Neverfull versus the Speedy. If you guys have a favorite, please let me know. I know mine's the Speedy bandolier, but if yours is the Neverfull, I'd love to know that. And again, Zoomoni, if you guys are interested in one of their organizers, please do visit their website, zoomoni.com. And please do remember to use that 20% off coupon, which is LV Luxe Delight. 20% off LV Luxe Delight for one of their wonderful organizers. That'll be it. I thank you guys so very much for watching this video. And my next one is going to be very exciting, at least for me. Very, very exciting. Looking forward to it, absolutely. Until then, you guys take care, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.